So obviously these days you could just buy egg whites from the shop, but if you wanted to use fresh eggs from home, the process is pretty simple. You're just going to take your egg, crack it with a knife, and then separate this out. So you're just going to keep the yolk inside the shell, and let the egg white fall into the glass. Okay, like so. Then you just put that to one side, and obviously you just repeat the process until you've got as much as you want. So I'll just do a couple here just to demonstrate that again, so that you're going to keep the yolk in one half of the shell, and then move it to the other if you can. It gives you the best result. And then what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to cut the egg white. You're probably thinking, sorry, what pardon? You're going to cut egg white. But all I mean is I'm going to take a sharp knife and I'm going to run it through the egg white. So what this is actually doing is this is going to break up the protein strands in the egg white, and it's going to make it pour more evenly. So when you try to pour it out of a bottle or into a drink, instead of coming out as one big gloopy piece of egg white, it will come out more like a liquid. So you don't have to spend all day doing this, but just, token gesture. There we go. And then obviously you want to keep it in a container that you can use handily or that you can keep in the fridge. You see that just pours nicely, like a liquid. There we are. And then like I said, if you've got one of these squeezy bottles, these are pretty handy. You can get them in most shops. And this will allow you to keep this in the fridge until you need it. Nice one.